So welcome back. So now we're at the exercise portion for the C minor, the F minor, as well as the B flat minor chords, right? In root position. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna set my timer. I have this beat that we're gonna use, and we're gonna loop this over and over and over for about 5 minutes. I got my timer on my watch. I'm gonna set, but before we do that, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna go from C minor to F minor to B flat minor. And you can also use your left hand too as well. C minor, F minor, B flat minor. If you look at my left hand, I'm just going from C to F to B flat. You can keep your hands just like this. C, F, B flat. And with my right hand, I'm doing the chorus with it. C minor, F minor, and B flat minor. Now you can say it as you play the chords. C minor, F minor, B flat minor, so that way you get it in your head, okay? So we're getting ready to start in just a second. I'm about to get my timer going. All right, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, and C minor, F minor, B flat minor, C minor, F minor, B flat minor. You got it. Keep it up. Doing good. Say it. C minor, F minor, B flat minor. You can go higher on the piano too. C minor, F minor, B flat minor. You can bounce the chords. This is a little bit harder. If you want to switch it up a little bit and go back to holding, if you want to, okay? So all I'm doing, I'm messing around with these chords all up and down the piano. Okay, we're all in root position. C minor, F minor, B flat minor. Oh, we got about 4 minutes to go. That was a long 1 minute. But you can do it, hang in there. All right. C minor, F minor, B flat minor. Let's go higher. C minor, let's go down to F minor. Let's go down to B flat minor. So I'm doing the same thing, I just started higher. C minor, F minor, B flat minor, same chords. I'm bouncing that. Now you don't have to do the same exact thing as I'm doing. You can still just hold the F minor, all the minor chords. It's up to you. But I'm just creating some variety so we can have a little bit more fun instead of doing the same thing over and over, all right? All right, so say it with me. What we got? We got C minor, F minor, B flat minor. Say it with me. C minor, F minor, B flat minor. Now I'm gonna go even lower. I'm gonna go down here. C minor, F minor, B flat minor. C minor, F minor. All right, B flat minor. So I'm gonna go higher. Watch this. Come down. You don't necessarily have to do it exactly as me. You can play around. We're playing the same exact chords, but freestyle. Get used to where they are all over the piano. I'm even higher. Different register. All right, I'm gonna take it back to the regular place where we were. Right here, C minor, F minor, B flat minor, C minor, F minor, B flat minor. How much more time we got? We got 2 more minutes. Hang in there. C minor, F minor, B flat minor, C minor, F minor, B flat minor. I'm gonna bounce it just to give it some more flavor. I'm gonna go higher. Now this is a little bit more challenging to be accurate. Now I'm gonna hold it. Doing good. We're almost done. 1.5 minutes to go. Hang in there. I almost got these down. I'm gonna try an octave, see how that sounds. You can hold it with the 2 same notes in your left hand if you want to. That's a whole nother option. Get your your pinky and your thumb stronger. Trying to talk and play at the same time. You get what I'm saying though? All right. Got about a minute to go. About 30 seconds. Make sure you stay nice and relaxed. Doing good, we're almost there. About 20 seconds. I'm gonna go a little bit higher. You can practice trying not to look and just try to feel where the notes are too. That's a little harder though. Got about 5 more seconds to go. All right, let's make this the last one. All right, great job. You made it through your minor chords, the C minor, the F minor, the B flat minor. My watch is going off. 5 minutes, good work. See you on the next lesson where we're gonna do the next inversion, which is the first inversion for the C minor, F minor, and B flat minor. Good work.